we're going to do today is take these kits provided by Goal Zero, and we're going to go visit homes inside Monument Valley and outside Monument Valley. And these kits consist of three major things really: the solar panel, the battery, and the lights. And certainly we've got plenty of sun down here in southern Utah, northern Arizona. There'll be a couple of us outside, and then there'll be a couple of us on the inside. And once it's all set up, we'll kind of run you through how it works and how to have a party out here. On the Navajo Reservation, traditionally we have land that we're so tied to from a very early age, and so many families are dispersed. And the challenge is that since we're not in a grid system, running power or running water from one home to the next is very challenging. So what we're doing is bringing solar to these homes so they can reside and stay and grow old where they love. Many families use kerosene lamps, camping propane stoves, or candlesticks, and some of that's very unhealthy. People sometimes will sit in their car just to recharge a phone, or buy a very expensive generator that needs a lot of maintenance and fuel. Can you tell us about what the car battery charges?
The cell phone?
Anything else?
That's it.
Just your cell phone with that car battery. Wow. Biggest thing is really focusing on these families that have a need and bringing this opportunity to them. We've got power! And as we make these trips multiple times a year, slowly and slowly more homes on the res are getting light, and that's amazing.